In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read PDF with QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know how to take a PDF bill and let QuickBooks Online read it for you, pull out the key details, and attach the original file to the bill automatically. This is a simple workflow that saves time and helps you keep clean, searchable records. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account so you're on the main dashboard. From here, look for the plus new button. It's easy to spot and is your shortcut to creating transactions. Click plus new to open the full menu of options. Next, under the vendor section, choose upload bills. This option tells QuickBooks you're bringing in a bill from a document rather than typing it in from scratch. It's designed for scanned invoices and PDFs your vendors email or send you. Now it's time to upload your PDF. You can drag and drop the file straight onto the upload area if it's handy on your desktop, or click browse to select it from a folder. Choose the PDF that contains the bill you want to capture. For best results, use a clear, readable, and unlocked PDF. Avoid photos that are blurry or heavily cropped, as that can make text recognition less accurate. QuickBooks will scan the document and extract the essentials for you, including the vendor name, the bill date, and the total amount. Think of this as a head start. QuickBooks reads what it can, and you simply confirm what's correct. If the PDF has unusual formatting or very small text, you might see a few fields come in blank or with partial data. That's normal. Just fill in anything that didn't import cleanly. Before you save, take a moment to review the autofill details. Confirm that the vendor is correct, the date reflects the bill date on the document, and the amount matches the total shown on the PDF. Pay special attention to decimal places and currency symbols, and make sure the numbers match exactly. If something looks off, click into the field and edit it. Accuracy here prevents downstream headaches in your reports and payables. When everything looks good, click Save. QuickBooks will create the bill and automatically attach the original PDF to it.